What's up mga ka-J-Vlog? Maring Anahin here, and this is another vlog takeover. And for today's video, we are going to discuss about Kenya Telecom price update sa kanilang 13 series. So we have 13, 13 Pro, and also 13 Pro Max. So ano ba ang available units and also colors sa KNL Telecom. So, pag nag-purchase pala kayo sa KNL Telecom, meron na yung kasamang gift box. Sa gift box, mga ka-J-Vlog, meron na yung MagSafe, adapter, cable, AirPods, MagSafe case, and also 2 cases pa. Meron din tong kasamang battery pack. And also, mga ka-J-Vlog, aside from gift box, of course, they also have cashback, which is 500 pesos. And aside from 500 pesos, gift box, meron din silang palabunutan. So, sa palabunutan, meron din tong cash, AirPods, charger, and also, you also have a chance to win Android phone. And pag nagpunta kayo dito sa KNL Telecom, ang makikita nyo dito is si Boss Eli, ang pinakamaganda dito sa KNL Telecom. And also si Ate Mary Rose and si Belen. Mostly lang naman sila lang talaga yung makikita nyo dito sa KNL Telecom. Because sa CMB Gadget, ang makikita nyo doon is si Ate Mayet, si James, and also si Alma. KNL Telecom is located at 3rd floor V Mall. So, akyat lang kayo using elevator, of course, and then press 3rd floor. After pressing 3rd floor, dire-diretso lang kayo, and then makikita nyo na kagad yung structure or tarpaulin ng KNL Telecom. Be careful daw, guys, kasi daw baka magbangga kayo kakadire-diretso nyo, okay? So, we have 13 series in here. We have 13, 13 Pro, and also 13 Pro Max. So, let's start first sa 13, sorry. So, sa iPhone 13 nila, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 color. So, we have 4 available color in here. Yung product red, yung blue, white, and also yung kanilang mabenta na color pink. So, sa 13, ang 128 GB nila, so, 128 GB ng iPhone 13 nila, that is 20,500. The 256 GB, that is 23,500 pesos. So, 128, 21,500. And then 256, that is 23,500 pesos. So, ito yung available na battery health nila. So, we have 85, 93, 100, of course, 85, 83, 86, and so forth. So, yan yung available na battery health when it comes sa kanilang iPhone 13. They have 2 variants, 128 GB and also 256 GB. Sa 13 Pro naman natin, mga ka-J-Vlog, sa iPhone 13 Pro, nasaan na naduduling ako? So, iPhone 13 Pro, we have 2 variants also. That is 128 GB and also 256 GB. So, 128, that is 28,000. And also, the 256, that is 29,500 pesos. So, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 3 available colors sa kanilang 13 Pro. So, we have 4, sorry. So, we have 4 colors pagdating sa kanilang 13 Pro. Yung Alpine Green, yung Black, yung Shera Blue, and also yung Silver. That is the available color sa 13 Pro ng KNL. So, meron din silang available na battery health dito, 86, 84, 81, 83, and so forth. Again, guys, pag nagda-doubt kayo sa nakikita nyong battery health when it comes sa unit ng KNL Telecom, you also have an option to check this one using the 3U tools. Okay? Laba mo kayo parang pakalapit.
Hindi, naka-ultra-wide, maniwala ka sa akin.
And the last one, the 13 Pro Max nila. So, we have 4 colors also in here. Shera Blue, Black, Alpine Green, and also yung Silver. So, 13 Pro Max, so 128 GB, that is 30,500 pesos. And also, the 256 GB, that is 34,000. You don't have to worry, guys, because aside from the, you don't have to worry, guys, kasi hindi lang yun yung, actually hindi, you don't have to worry guys kasi meron pang cashback si KingL Telecom. Automatic 500 discount sa mga followers and also subscriber natin dyan. So, after checking all of those, after sharing those price list guys, let's try to check then yung battery health per unit. So, mag-open tayo ng isang 13, yung kanilang product red. So, 85 battery health dito. So, battery health nitong ating iPhone 13, this is 85%. So, again, you have an option also to check this sa kanilang 3U tools. Unlimited check. 1 to sawa, guys. Next naman is yung ating 13 Pro. So, 13 Pro battery health. 86% ang kanilang battery health. Sample lang to ng kanilang 128 gigabytes ng 13 Pro. Next one is the 13 Pro Max. So, 13 Pro Max. 92 battery health. Ayan. Guys, you don't have to worry. Kung if ever man na ang available lang na battery health nila dito is 80%, 85, 83, 82, huwag kayong mag-alala kasi when it comes sa battery health, still good pa rin naman yung ganong mga quality ng battery health sa mga iPhone. Actually, matagal mo talaga pa siyang magagamit eh. Kasi yung 13 Pro ko, alam ko nasa 80-something na lang, 89 na lang ata yung battery health ng 13 Pro ko. And matagal ko pa siya nagagamit. Nagagamit ko pa siya, tinan mo, 89 alam ko. Matagal ko pa siya nagagamit. Nagagamit ko siya for vlogging.
70 ang pinaka-advice.
Oo. So, nagagamit ko pa siya pang vlog, pang ML, pang TikTok. Yan. So, matagal ko pa talaga siyang nagagamit. So, kaya wag kayo mag-alala pag kaya wag kayo mag-alala. Ha? Ayan, 92 pa pala, sorry. 92 pa yung battery health ng aking 13 Pro. So, matagal ko pa itong ginagamit. Nakakapag-ML pa ako dyan. Kaya wag kayo mag-alala pag nakakita kayo ng mas babang battery health. Mas maganda nga yun eh. Kasi alam nyo talaga na original yung battery. Original yung battery na nandun mismo sa iPhone. Okay? Pero meron din kayong option para sa 100% battery. And also, meron din silang available na brand new. Kaya kung gusto nyo ng brand new and also mga 100% battery, just ask the staff of KingL Telecom or CMB Gadget. They can assist you with that one, okay? So, mode of payment naman ng KingL Telecom, they have cash on delivery, GCash, GGibs, SPay Later, cards, debit card, kahit anong prefer na beep card, kahit anong prefer nyo na payment method, pwede yung tanungin ng KingL Telecom or CMB Gadget, meron sila niyan. And yes, meron po silang installment using home credit, GGibs or GCash, ayan, yung mga, GGibs or G-credit. So, yun yung mga possible na installment nila, tsaka yung credit card. And using, if ever naman na outside Metro Manila kayo, they also offer delivery nationwide using LBC. So, sa delivery po, just to be clear na shoulder to ng buyer when it comes sa delivery fee. And also, nagpapa-down payment sila maximum of 5,000 pag outside Metro Manila na. Pag inside Metro Manila, of course, they have cash on delivery. And yung delivery fee nun is shoulder pa rin ng mga buyer. Diba? Pero kung masipag naman kayo at marami kayong oras, pwede nyo silang puntahan sa kanila. Kung gusto nyo makita si Boss Eli, si Mosing Mayet, yan, pwede kayong pumunta sa kanilang store, walk-in customer. Sa Tiangge nila, that is second floor. XA0. So, XA0. 7. So, XA07, second floor. Sa second floor, kung gusto nyo mag-walk-in, yun, doon nyo makikita si Boss Mayet. Pero kung gusto nyo makita si Boss Eli, dumirekta na kayo sa third floor V-Mall. And dire-diretso lang kayo using the elevator. So, that's it, guys. That is just a quick price update sa kanilang 13 series dito sa KNL Telecom. Once again, this is Maringana, and thanks so much for watching.